Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack some more kusenzo miwa the proceedings aibo. You know, besides ukuthi-ke Dr. Ronnie Sibanda is learning to lie from his dad Ubaloyi. And his tactics nje are just not working out. The stuff that he's trying is not working out. His style nje is just crazy, that guy. The whole thing of him reading the numbers, I just don't get that. I've been trying to understand him. Those numbers have nothing to do with anything. How are they gonna bring anything to him? Fisokuhle's numbers, Dance's number, like, and then Mnube's number, Q's number 3. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, this guy needs to stop with this phone number thing. Someone must tell him, good to know, this is not working. Can you try something else? If you're trying to pin these people down, good, they actually did analyze sense. These statistics are not the ones. They're not working. Besides that, what's up with that? Jonas. Like, I don't want to be comparing people. And he actually does speak almost like voice is almost like Jonas's voice. But Ungobo. Hoy, enuzuyamtshela umuzi Sibiyu accused number 1 ukuthi umuzi kakhulelwa Sibiyu ukuthi listen, bra. You are messing our situations up already. Like Section 2 samtshela ukuthi already as it is now. The state must pay us, man. Especially into esingayazi now busy uloku edeni into ezingekho. Saying stuff that, or should I say maybe putting stuff how you want, how you want. No, you can't go on like that. Oh, why couldn't my lose? It was just like, no, bro, please don't do this to us.
We break at a stage where I wanted to invite you to comment on the common contacts between the accused 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Bengifuna-ke lapha ukuthi siqinisekise le ndaba ukuthi kukhona ukuxhumana phakathi komsolo wokuqala, umsolo wesibili nomsolo wesithathu, ukuthi khona omunye abakwazi ukuthi bonke baxhumane naye.
Anginalwazi ngalokho mina.
I do not have such knowledge.
Thank you. Do you know what is a common contact?
Umuntu esingathi uxhumana nabanye uyazwisisa ukuthi isho ukuthini.
Uma ngi-understand kahle ngicela ukuthi ungichazele.
Okay, yes, I will do that.
Please explain it further for me.
I will use facts in this case. Will I be correct to say, this is by way of an example, that Mr. Gwabini Sifiso Zungu is a common contact between accused number 1 and yourself?
Ngabe kuyiqiniso yena ukuthi uGwabini umuntu oxhumana nani nomsolo wokuqala nawe?
Kuyiqiniso lokho.
That is correct?
Yes. So that was the gist of my question, that you said you cannot comment because you've got no knowledge about it. I was asking you that.
Yona umbuzo wami uthe wena awukwazi ukuphawula ngawo.
Thank you. Now, let us go back to another issue that I left it in abeyance yesterday.
Sibuyele kokunye engibe ngibekele eceleni zona.
Thank you. In the year 2019, when you met Mr. Constable Sizwe Zungu near or at Engine Garage in Bakersford, do you remember?
So khumbula ukuthi 2019 washangana no Sizwe Zungu Constable eduze kwe-Engine Garage.
Yebo.
Yes, I do.
And then just take me back again. What what was said during that conversation.
ngicela sibuyele kula uzongichazela khona ukuthi kwakhulunywa kwathini-ke.
Okay, wathi ndodana kunenkinga la.
And he said, son, there is a problem here.
So ngambuza ukuthi ngabe yini inkinga.
And he said at work, the colonel who asked him, ukuthi enze
abe kwipanel
ezowenzani?
Ezo-investigate noma ezosesha. So then ngambuza ukuthi ungena kanjani wena.
And I asked him how he got involved into that.
Singathi ngokomsebenzi-ke but uthola amagama igama likaGwabini, igama likaMoses Biya, igama likaMafika Ntanzi.
Uphinde kodwa ungagijimi kakhulu ngoba ngiyabona.
Igama likaGwabini.
The names of the name of Gwabini,
Moses Biya,
Biya,
Mafika Ntanzi,
Simphiwe Buthelezi,
Yes.
Nonkani Fiso Ntuli.
Nobani?
Nonkani Fiso Ntuli.
And Nkani Fiso Ntuli.
And then what was said further?
And okunye ukukhulunywe yini?
Ngambuza ukuthi ngabe uyabazi lawo bantu.
And then I asked him if he knew those people.
So then wakhombisa ukuthi akabazi.
And then he showed that he did not know these people.
But ngoba nganginokuthi ke umuzi yamasikhosi asasinayo ngo-2017 angithi umuzi uSibiya.
And I thought that he knew Moses Biya.
Then umafika ngokuthi ke ugogo wakhe ngokwantanzi.
And then also that Mafika's grandmother
Constable Zungu's grandmother.
Constable Zungu's grandmother is from the Ntanzi family.
There is a hand up from Mr. Sibiya, my lord.
As it is a court, my lord. Mr. Sibiya is simply raising the quality of the interpretation. He says what is being interpreted by Mr. Ngobo that comes from the witness here is not what the witnesses said. He seems not to be following, he seems not to be interpreting what the witness is saying. Thank you.
Is he saying, Mr. Ngobo, the interpretation is incorrect?
Yes.
Which interpretation?
That which has happened now.
No, he must tell you so that I can tell the interpreter that they say you interpreted incorrectly.
You said that, Mr. Sibiya, say it.
Uthi yena wayecabanga ukuthi uSibiya umuzi yamazi uCostello Mzungu wasasenayo ngo-2017. uNgcobo uthi uyamazi uSibiya ngoba sasenayo ngo-2017. So aba-interpreting.
But utheni Mr. Zungu yena?
Uthi ngangicabanga ukuthi umuzi uyamazi. uNgcobo uthi yena umuzi yamazi.
Yes.
Uthi lo wayecabanga ukuthi umuzi uyamazi. uNgcobo yena akasho ukuthi wayecabanga ukuthi umuzi uyamazi.
Hello, what's your comment?
I'm unable to remember exactly what it is that was said, but I do remember a little bit about what is.
The difference is between ukutacabanga ukuthi uyamazi and you are saying uyamazi. Am I correct, sir?
Yeah,
Mina ngiyalalela. So they say I'm correct. They say instead of saying the other, okay, fine, we'll correct it. Repeat it for the interpreter. Sir, repeat it for the interpreter. What should be the correct interpretation? Hello? And then he will interpret what you say you should have said.
ngicela usho futhi ukuthi yini le bengifanele ngiyishilo ukuthi ngizoyisho kahle.
uthi uMakosoke uthi wabala mina wabala umuzi wabala umafiko wasibala so basethi umuzi uthi
cha uthi uma uyibeka ibe yinde phela nami ngizophinde kulahleke.
Kumele ushuta ngakukhathele ukuze so understand it right noma
yonke ngicela
awuzokhuluma inkulumo ungezwanga kahle then record igcina ikhuluma okunye but umuntu ebekhuluma okunye bese kuthiwa umuntu wathi kanti awashongo lokho okukhuluma umuntu uma interpret shuthi kumele uqiniseke ukuthi bangumZulu straight umuntu lapha ukuze ezokwazi ukuthi alalele kahle into eshoyo ayisho njengoba eyishilo ngoba egcine kulimala thina noma interpret kahle.
Yebo angithi ngicela yona leyo nto ukuthi ngicela ungagijimi kakhulu ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuhloleka kahle.
Ngithi umuntu ofanele uceleke lo okhulumayo ngoba mina ngichazela inkulumo eyenzakele oyijabulile ukuthi uya yena wayecabanga ukuthi uSibiya uyamazi.
My Lord, I think the accused is asking for the witness to repeat so that I can then properly interpret it.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kuruma.
Ngithi mina ngacabanga ukuthi umuzi uyamazi because sasenaye ngo-2017.
I thought Muzi knows him because we were together with him in 2017.
So engangikhiye ngapho ukuthi laba abanye labayi wayengabazi.
Uthi uyakwazi lo.
Angizwa.
Uthini ngalaba abanye?
Labanye wayengabazi.
He did not know the others.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not sure if Mr. Sibiya is now satisfied.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then
Ukuthi mhlawumbe uzophinda mhlawumbe ngiphakamisa isandla uzophinda wenze lento eyenzakele futhi. Hayi ukuthi kunelisekile wena wenza umuntu ukulungisa interpreter wakho afanele sisibe right uze kuphela.
Yeah, can you continue, sir?
as the court pleases. Okay. And then what else did you say to Constable Zungu?